Happy New Year to everyone! We hope you had a great start of the year, and we are very excited to kick off 2023 with some significant product updates. As always, we will do it in less than 60 seconds, so let's get started. First, we boost document fraud detection globally by adding a new photo replacement algorithm. This has resulted in detection rates above 97%. Next, we improved our funnel conversion rates between 2 and 6% by implementing document reading upgrades, such as adding new OCR nodes, reducing character error rates, or enhancing MR set decoding in all geographies. We also launched new SDKs for document, video, NFC, and voice capture to include further customization options while improving overall user experience across all platforms. Speaking about face biometrics, our NIST top rank engines have been upgraded to even faster and more accurate. This means a win-win for both usability and security. Thank you for choosing Veridas, and we are really excited to continue providing you the best service in 2023.